Hey guys, and welcome back to this Roblox scripting tutorial where today I'm going to be teaching you how to animate your character in Roblox Studio using the animation editor. So where do we get started with animations? Because it's not only scripting, it's also that you've got to create the animation yourself. So what we need to do, we need to install a plugin called the animation editor. So I've got mine up here, and if you don't see this animations tab, this means you haven't got the animation editor plugin. So I'm going to leave a link down below in the description of this video so you guys can go and get the animation editor plugin. It's by Roblox. You'll need to open up the link in Roblox Studio, or you can just find it by going to manage plugins in Studio, and then you can click on find plugins, and you'll be able to go and search it. Okay. And then let's have a look. There it is, animation editor. So it looks like that at the moment. It might be updated in the future, but it's called animation editor. It's made by Roblox, and it usually does get updated quite a lot. So what you see today might be a little bit different to what you see in the future. So I'm just going to go and update my version. There we go. And then I'm going to have to go and restart my Roblox Studio. Alright, I just went and updated my Roblox Studio, and you can see that it's updated, so the animations tab isn't there anymore, so it's moved over here, so you can see where it says animations. I'm going to click on this little drop down button, and you can see we can create a block rig, or a man rig, or a woman rig, or a mesh rig, and then we've got the animation editor. So Roblox, well, it used to be recommended that you use the mesh rig, but I didn't really like to use this because it was a bit harder to animate the arms because it was in the Roblox 2.0 package and it didn't look right. But if you do it with the block rig, you just click here, you can see a dummy pops up in the workspace. It's just square and your normal Roblox 1.0, but it works with any package that I found. So if you animate the arms in a certain way on the blocky guy, it's going to animate the same on any package, and it's just a little bit easier to animate. So once we've inserted the dummy, we're going to make sure that he's placed on the ground, and then we're going to open up the animations tab again, and we're going to click on the animation editor. So this is where we're going to actually animate the person. So we're going to click on the animation editor. Okay, and it's going to say select a rig to animate. So we want to select this dummy here, but we want to make sure that the torso area is selected because we want to select the humanoid root part of the dummy. So this is the head, and we've got the left arm, the right arm, the left leg, and then the right leg as well. And we've got the torso, and then we've also got the humanoid root part, and that's where basically we do all the animating from. That's where the main part of the player is. So you don't have to worry about that, but just make sure you always select it when you're animating first. Okay, so you can see up here we've got this fancy animation editor now. So you can see that we've got this timeline as well. This is where all of our animations are going to go. We've got this nice cursor as well. We've got the playhead, this is called, and then we've got a timeline. So currently it's set to about 2 seconds of animation time, but we can change that in the future. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and you can see we've got these, what do you call them? They're like rotation. It's rotational. It's a rotational grid axis, and you can see that this grid, it's got 4 little points that you can click and drag. But when we move the playhead, right? So I'm going to move it to about 0.5 seconds in. You can see that when we drag something up, okay, we rotate this. So I've just rotated his arm to be straight. Now if I drag the playhead away, you can see that it's added a little, it's added like a mini, a little play frame, is it playhead, to show you what's happening at that moment. You can see it's got a little square there, and then it will say that the right arm is being animated, and it's being animated to move up to a straight position. And then you can see behind it, behind the 0.5 mark, it's going to actually animate the arm to actually move and look realistic instead of just changing it straight away instantly. So it's actually a little animation then. If we go and play it, you can see his arm raises up as well. We've just animated the right arm of the person, but we can also animate loads more things. So we can drag the playhead. Comment if you enjoyed and you have any suggestions for videos, and I'll see you in the next video.